How do you like your first little dish of avocado with olive oil and garlic powder? What do you think? Here it is. Here it is. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. It's kind of hard to get it into the mouth. Oh. Here, I'll help you, honey. There you go. Up, there we go. Oh, yeah, we got it. We got it. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Finally. Something different, huh? Finally, something a little different. It's tasty. Pretty tasty stuff. Especially with that garlic powder in it, huh? You ready for another little bite? You ready for another little bite? Oh, here we go. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. You got it. You got it. Oh. Is it kind of thick? Oh.